Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Charmaine Nazareda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about adding text to slides. You can add text to text placeholders, text boxes, and shapes to your PowerPoint presentation by doing the following steps. Today, we are going to insert a text inside a placeholder, a picture, and a shape. First, let us try first to add some text inside the placeholder inside our slide. For an example, as you open your PowerPoint presentation, there is already a default placeholder that is inserted on the slide that you are going to create. For an example, this placeholder here. How are we going to add some text inside of it? All you need to do is to select the inside part of the placeholder. After selecting it, as you can see here, the word has been deleted, and you can now start typing the word that you want to type. Okay, as you can see here, we already have our cursor. Now we can start typing. For an example, we are going to type the word computer. Okay, we have already typed the word computer inside the placeholder inside our slide. That is the steps, or that is the step in inserting text inside the placeholder. How are we going to insert a text inside a picture? For you to be able to insert a text inside the picture first is you need to insert a certain or specific picture that you are going to use on your presentation. For you to be able to insert a picture is you're going to select the insert tab. After selecting the insert tab, you are going to look for the pictures icon. Select the picture and you are going to select this device option. After selecting this device, you are going to directly locate it, or we are going to open the folder for pictures. Okay, select the pictures folder. As you can see here now, there are different types of pictures that we can insert in our slide presentation. Just choose one specific picture that you can use. Okay, for an example, this picture. Select the picture, and after that, you are going to select the insert button. Just wait for a little while for you to be able to insert the picture on the slide presentation. As you can see here now, the picture is already inserted on the slide presentation that we are creating. How are we going to insert a text inside the picture? All you need to do is to select the Home tab, okay? Select the Home tab of your PowerPoint presentation and look for the option text box. Okay, it is located under the drawing area or the drawing group inside the home tab of our ribbon. Okay, select the text box. After selecting the text box, as you can see here now, the cursor has changed. For you to be able to insert the text, you are going to use the left button of your mouse, okay? Press and hold the left button of your mouse and create a box inside the picture. After inserting a box inside the picture, you are now you can now insert a text inside the certain picture that you are going to use inside your presentation. Okay, now we can now start typing. Okay, you can type globe. Okay, start typing globe. As you can see here now, we already inserted a text inside the picture that we use inside the presentation. That is the steps, or that are the different steps that you are going to use to insert a picture, or sorry, insert a text inside the picture. Now, for the last step, how are we going to insert a text inside a shape? Okay, we are going to use the third slide. Okay, in our third slide, we are going to insert a shape here. Okay, we are going to select the insert tab. After selecting the Insert tab, you are going to look for the Shape option. After selecting the drop-down arrow on the shape icon, you can now choose one specific shape that you are going to use. For an example, we are going to use this type of shape, the smiley face option. Select it, and as you can see here now, the cursor has changed. You are going to use also the left button of your mouse. You're going to press and hold it, then drag it down until you can now insert the shape. Okay, as you can see here now, this is the shape that we are going to use in our activity. How are we going to insert a text here? Okay, another way for us to insert a text box is, as you can see here now, on the Shape Format tab, we can also view the text box option. Just select it and put it inside the shape. As you can see it, the cursor already changed. Okay, we can now create another box. Okay, using the left button of your mouse, press and hold it and create a square or a rectangle box or shape. Okay, after creating a shape or a rectangle or a square shape, you can now start typing the word inside the shape that we have inserted inside the presentation. For an example, we are going to type the word smile. Okay, as you can see here now, the word is already inserted inside the shape that we are going to use or that we are using inside the presentation. Okay, these are the different steps in inserting a text inside a placeholder, inside the picture, and also inside a shape. If you have any questions regarding our topic for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is Teacher Charmina Zaleta, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.